let's continue our project and let's focus our time on financial statement analysis. So in this stage of analysis, we are going to focus our time and energy on analysis of financial reports of the company. What we need to do, we need to find the financial statements, balance, income statement, and some other financial statements for analysis. We will simplify those statements and we will put in the Excel that we have. Later on, we will create comparative financial statements for 5 years. Afterwards, we will analyze them. So let's start. The first thing, to find the financial reports, you can consult their web pages or find their annual reports and download the balance statement and income statement, or the easiest way, which is very convenient and fast and easy to do, to go Yahoo Finance to find your companies if they are listed publicly and try to summarize and simplify and put the information in Excel. If your companies are not publicly listed but you have access on their financial statements, you get them, that's also fine. We can use the original financial statements to do that. So no worries, and let's start. For example, I will use the example of General Motors to show you how to get the data. So what we do, we find the General Motors from the search engine of Yahoo Finance. Then we will move down. You can see here summary, chart, statistic, historical data, profile, financials. Click on financials, and here you are. Here we have the information about the income statement, balance statement, and cash flow report. So first of all, we will start to analyze balance, and for that, let's click on the balance sheet. And here you have all the information about current assets, non-current assets, current liabilities, and stockholders' equity. So you have very detailed breakdown of all those items. So what we will need to do is to simplify and create that simplified balance statement. It is basically the Excel that we have in our right side. So we need to get the information about assets and find the information about current and non-current assets, and then equity and liabilities. Also, we need to find the total numbers of equity, the total current liabilities, and total non-current liabilities. In the Excel that we have under our hands, you can find some numerical data already inserted. What you need to do, just delete them and insert the information from the source that you're looking for. Now, the total current assets of this company in 2017 was 68.744. So what we will do, we'll copy this information, we will go to the current assets, and we will paste this information right there. For numerical information, again, we just will go to the Yahoo Finance, we'll get the information, we'll go to the Excel, and we will move that information right there. Now, the next item we need is non-current assets. As you can see, the non-current assets are not included in this balance statement, but we have the number of total assets. So let's take the total assets to our Excel, and here you are. So we have total assets, and for 2016. Let's get that information also. And we have the information for total current assets and total assets together. As you know, the non-current assets are equal total assets minus total current assets. So basically in this case will be the information equal this minus this. So basically we'll insert the formula, and here you go, you have the information for non-current assets. And the same way we will delete the information that is already there and subtract from total assets the total current assets, and here you go. So in the same way we will move down and we will analyze and simplify the liabilities and equity of the company. So as you can see, the equity is underneath. So basically what we will do, we'll again copy the total equity and we will move that to the Excel, to the equity dimension. Total equity. Here is some information about common stocks. So here is the common stocks. We'll copy and paste the common stock information from the financial statements. Then current liabilities and non-current liabilities. If we move a little bit forward, you will see the total current liabilities for 2017, and we will replace with this information. And total liabilities is this number. As you can see, we don't have a total liabilities dimension in our Excel. What we will do, we will just subtract from this number the current liabilities, and we'll include that over there. So let's do a quick math, and we have it. All right. So total non-current liabilities are equal 99,392,00. Here you go. So we have liabilities, total current and non-current liabilities. You also have the equity, and the balance is this one plus this one plus this one. If we make it a little bit bigger, here you are. So here is the information that we needed to make simplified balance statement. So go forward and continue your simplification of balance for your company, and we have the simple balance statement. In next instruction session, we will talk about simplification of income statement. So you will be able to find the information for income statement and insert the information. Thank you for your attention, and bye-bye.